not a girl game. It's not a girl game.
You wanna bet?
Came out in your driveway, shaking hands, black nails, struck pain. Said this is my real name. You laughed once, then your face went faint. You stared at my lipstick like it burned a hole in your throat. You said I'm just confused, yeah. Then you choked on every word you spoke. You keep looking at my waist, then you stared on at your shoes. You keep saying that you're fine, but your voice keeps cracking through. You said I'm too much, too loud, too girl. How about now? How about now? Is it hurt when you hate it that you kinda wanna make out? You said I'm too much, too loud, too girl. Guess the truth slipped out. If my glow up makes you nervous, who's the coward now? Too much, too loud, too girl. How about now? You won't hug me in daylight, but you texted after midnight. Typing, deleting, I miss you caught in the blue light. You blame all your values while your pupils spell my new name. You wanna be my hero, but you're scared you want me the same. You keep asking if I've changed, but it's you that's just inside. Disappear or is it longing when you can't meet my eyes? You said I'm too much, too loud, too good. How about now? Say it now. Is it burning when you feel it and you're terrified of how? You said I'm too much, too loud, too girl. Guess your mask fell down. If my freedom makes you thirsty, better drown or crown. Too much, too loud, too girl. How about now? You call it sin, I call it skin. You call it phase, I call it beginning. You call it wrong, but you sing along to every part of me you said you died for. Tonight, for your small box, for your soft talk, for your dead norms. Watch me break your locked doors. If I'm so